These are the 4 smartest, most promising, and profitable types of businesses you can start in 2025. I am the co-founder and president of a company valued at $100 million, and over the last 5 years, we've analyzed more than $5 billion in businesses. Based on that experience, I can clearly see which types of companies succeed and which ones don't. So if I had to start a business from scratch today, I would choose one of the 4 ideas I'm going to share here. But before we get into those 4 business types, it's important to understand what makes a good business idea. There are 2 main points to consider: who's going to buy your product or service and whether that market is growing or not. First, focus on selling to people who have money. This means starting with higher-priced products or services for customers who are willing to pay well to solve a problem. It is much easier to make good money that way than selling cheap stuff to a lot of people. Second, choose a market that is growing fast. You can check this with a quick Google search. When a market is expanding, it becomes much easier to grow your business along with it. And the good news is that 2025 will be a great year to start a business, especially in the US, which offers a great environment for digital and innovative businesses. Now, although online courses and coaching are very popular and work well for many people, they have some limits. These kinds of businesses depend a lot on the image of the person teaching, which can make it hard to grow. Also, it's not a market that grows as fast as others. For example, opening a print shop in 2025 wouldn't be a smart move. People print fewer and fewer things because everything is going digital. That market is shrinking, and it's harder to grow in areas like that. Instead, think about modern businesses with potential to scale and meet new customer needs. So now, let's talk about the 4 types of businesses with the best chance to succeed in 2025. I'll list them in order of market growth. 1. Pet care services. This might surprise you, but the pet industry is growing fast. In the US alone, the pet market is expected to grow from $151 billion in 2024 to $251 billion by 2030. That's because people are treating their pets more like family members. If you want to get into this space, focus on high-quality services like pet hotels, grooming, natural foods, toys, and personalized pampering. People feel guilty about leaving their pets alone or not having enough time, so they're willing to pay more to give them comfort and care. You could offer pet stays with live cameras, spa services, daycare with activities, and even custom treats or gifts. It's a market full of opportunity, especially in big cities. 2. Health and wellness. This is one of the fastest growing sectors. After the pandemic, many people started paying more attention to their health. Wanting better quality of life, well-being, and more healthy years to live, people are looking for products and services that help them take care of their physical and mental health. One real example, we invested in a small company that made $2 million per year. 3 years later, it was making over $100 million. That shows how strong and full of potential this market is. The global wellness market is worth about $5.6 trillion and is expected to reach $8.5 trillion by 2027. If you're in the health field, you can open clinics, spas, gyms, apps, or online services aimed at this audience. Even if you're not a health expert, you can still work in this space. Just study a lot and build a solid team. 3. Eco-friendly products. Interest in eco-friendly and sustainable products keeps growing. People want to buy in a more conscious way, helping the planet. And this type of product grows about 10% a year, much faster than regular products. You can apply this idea to almost anything: clothes, beauty products, food, cleaning supplies, even pet accessories. The key is to offer something that is good for the planet but also beautiful and high quality. People want brands with a purpose, but also with style and practicality. A great example is the natural beauty brand Tatcha, which sold for $500 million. The founder focused on clean ingredients, beautiful packaging, and a strong commitment to sustainability. And it worked very well. 4. Social media consulting. This is the fastest growing market. More and more businesses need help to stand out on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other platforms. But many business owners hire people with little experience, thinking that just because someone is young, they know how to do digital marketing, which is not always true. If you know how to help businesses grow online, You can charge a lot for your service. But to succeed, pick one niche, like clinics, restaurants, or clothing stores, and start with one platform. That way, you become an expert and get better results. It's also important to have a good client process, from the first meeting to delivery, and even ending contracts professionally. Over time, you can hire more people and grow your agency. Many entrepreneurs pay $5,000 to $10,000 a month for someone who actually brings real results using social media. If you can combine creative content with ad strategy and strong branding, your growth can be huge. If you really want to change your life, 2025 is a great year to do it. These 4 business types have everything needed to grow a lot over the next few years. Just choose the one that fits you best, study it well, plan carefully, and start with focus. Follow me for more content like this. See you in the next video.